Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your first ledger. We will begin by understanding its fundamental purpose, tracking your financial transactions. A ledger helps you maintain a clear record of where your money goes and comes from. You will learn to identify the key components, such as date, description, debit, credit, and balance columns. This foundational knowledge is crucial for effective financial management, whether you choose a physical book or a digital tool. Now, let's dive into recording your daily transactions. Each entry begins with the exact date of the event in the designated column. Following this, provide a brief yet clear description of the transaction, such as grocery shopping or salary deposit. Remember, money you receive is a credit, and money you spend is a debit. Accurately categorizing these entries is vital for maintaining a precise financial overview. A critical step in ledger keeping is maintaining your running balance. After each transaction, you will calculate your new total. If you recorded a debit, subtract that amount from your previous balance. Conversely, if it was a credit, add it to your balance. This continuous calculation provides an up-to-the-minute snapshot of your financial standing, helping you always know your available funds. Finally, regular review and reconciliation are essential for a reliable ledger. Take time to check your entries for any errors or omissions. At least once a month, compare your ledger's ending balance with your bank or credit card statements. This process helps you catch and correct any discrepancies, ensuring your ledger accurately reflects your real-world finances. A well-maintained ledger is a powerful financial tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.